friends, good morning to all. Yes, welcome back to our online classes. Today we are taking one of the new chapter in our discussion, that is surface area and volumes. Yes, in your previous class, means in the 9th standard, you have studied the surface area and volume of a solid shapes. Yes or no? So, and this year also we have to see about those solid shapes, but not only in a single. The combination of two or more solid shapes at a time you take, then how to find the surface area or curved surface area, total surface area, and also the volumes we are discussing here. So before going to there, just we have to remember all the formulas of means the surface area, whether it is a curved surface area, total surface area. So we need to find all the formulas. We need to remember the formulas in this session. Yes. And next, then what we are studying in this class, how to find the surface area and volume of a combination of any two solids, area, also volume. And next thing we have to discuss how to convert, yes, the volume if you taken in one of the solid shape, if you transfer to another container, another solid shape, yes, how we have to convert that volume, how we have to express that in next portion that we will take. And finally we will take one more different shape here, that is a frustum. Yes, what is that? Frustum. Frustum means what? It is some portion of even cone. Yes, if it is a cone, yes, if it is a cone, suppose if you cut this part of this cone, so your shape becomes, yes, your shape becomes like this, both this side there is a hollow, okay, like this shape you will get. So how to find the surface area, curved surface area as well as total surface area, and also how to find the volume of this frustum we will discuss in this class. Yes, okay. Before that, we have to see all the formulas of surface. All surface area means curved surface area, also total surface area of your cube, cuboid, yes, cylinder, cone as well as sphere we have discussed in your previous class. So once again we have to remember those all formulas, then we will take the problems. Okay, so take here now. Surface areas. Yes, surface area cuboid. Cuboid means it is in the rectangular shape of, yes, rectangular shape of one of the solid shape. Yes. How to find its surface area? What is its surface area of cuboid is what? Yes, here it is a L, it is a H, it is a D. Means length of the cuboid, height of the cuboid, breadth of the cuboid. Then what is its surface area here? 2 times of LB plus BH plus HM. How it comes? Here there are 6 rectangles. There are 6 rectangles. If you find all those 6 rectangles area, you will get that formula. How? It's this rectangle L into H, and next one, this is breadth into H, and this side it is L into H, like that. 2 times 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL it comes. So totally your answer, your formula, one general equation you will get, that is surface area of a cuboid is what? 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. LB, HL what here? L is the length of the cuboid, B is the breadth of the cuboid, and H is the height of the cuboid. Okay, same way, surface area of your cube. Cube means here all its faces are in a square shape. Yes, there are 6 squares here. All its sides are equal to A. Yes, all its sides are equal to A. Then how we will find its area, surface area of a cube. Here also there are 6 what? Squares. What is the square? Oh, area of one square? A into A square. Then next A square, such that there are 6 square areas if you are take. So surface area of a cube is 6A square. A is nothing but what here? Side of the cube, edge of the cube. Okay. Next one we will take a curved surface area as well as total surface area of a cylinder. What is the difference between curved surface area and total surface area? You know already. Suppose this is a one of the cylinder. Yes. So suppose if you take only this circular area, it is a CSA, means curved surface area of the cylinder. So how we will find? This is the length of the cylinder. Yes. And this is the opening diameter of the cylinder. Yes. So how we have to find the curved surface area of the cylinder? If you take this one, ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? Like a rectangular shape. Yes. So what is the length here? Diameter. Then what is the breadth here? Diameter, and then this L. How can you find the area of this rectangle? L into B. Length into breadth, same length. L into D. D means what here? 2 times of radius. Yes sir. 2 into L into R ಅಂತ ಕೊಡೋಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. Yes sir. And like that we will find the curved surface area of the cylinder. For curved surface area we will take as a curved CSA. Curved surface area of the cylinder is what here? 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. And what is the total surface area of the cylinder? Yes, here only you can take the total surface area, including the area of these 2 openings also. Total surface area it is. So what is the total surface area of the cylinder here? 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay. Next, if you go to cone. Yes, cone. What is the curved surface area as well as total surface area of the cube? Here, this cube has one of the circular shape of opening, and it is the height of the cube. Yes, this is the length of the cone. Sorry, cube I am using cone. Yes, this is the diameter of its opening circle. Then it is the height of the cone. Then this is the length of the cone. So how we have to find the curved surface area of the cone? Curved surface area of the cone. Yes, what is that? 5RL. This is the circle area of the circle. 2πr. L is nothing but r by 2. So total it becomes a 5RL. The curved surface area of the cone is what? 5RL. Then same way, total surface area means what here? Including this area of this circle. This opening circle is what here? 5R into r plus L. 5R into r plus L. Yes. So surface area of the cube is 6a square. Cuboid 2 times of LP plus VH plus HL. Then curved surface area of the cylinder 2 pi RH, and total surface area 2 pi R into R plus H. Then curved surface area of the cone is nothing but what? The surface area of this much and not this circular opening. It is pi r l. Then total surface area means this is circular opening including what is your area? Pi r into r plus l. Yes. And next one, sphere. Yes, first we have to take it. Then we will go to the surface area of the sphere. Okay. What is the surface area? Sphere means spherical shape. Yes, the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. What is that? 4 pi r square. Then if you take a hemisphere, means half of the sphere. What is the chord surface area means? Except this opening, this is the chord surface area. Chord surface area of the hemisphere. Area of this hemisphere is what here? 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Then total surface area means including this diameter, it is including this diameter, it becomes 3 pi r square. Yes, the total surface area of the hemisphere is 3 pi r square and chord surface is 2 pi r square and spherical shape area is 4 pi r square. Just remember, CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square, TSA of hemisphere 3 pi r square, then total sphere 4 pi r square. 2, 3, 4. Remember like this. 2 what? CSA half sphere means hemisphere. 3 means TSA, total surface area, 3 pi r square. Then total complete sphere area is what? 4 pi r square. For remembrance, it is very easiest formula. Yes. So with this, all formulas we got. So please you have to remember these all formulas. It is very useful while solving the problems in your surface area and volume of this 10th standard chapter. Okay. So here we are discussing, there are 3 types of problems. Yeah, first one, the combination of 2 or more than 2 same solid shapes. For example, here there is a cube, such like that if you replace one more cube here, another cube like that, more than 2 same solid shape if you are keeping, how to find the surface area and volume of these things? Means combination of what? 2 or more same solid shapes. 2 or more same solid shapes. And next one, with the different solid shapes. Means one cube and one hemisphere. If you compare, how to find the? Okay. Here your second type of problems means combination of one cube. A cube. On this cube, if your hemisphere or sphere, it is mounted on this one. Mounted means so that we will call as a mounted. For example, this is the one of the hemisphere, this is the one of the cuboid. If your hemisphere replacing on this one, how to find the total surface area of the chord surface area of this thing? We have to find. Then one more type, third type of question, a combination of cylinder and cone, or if you take a hemisphere on that cylindrical shape. For example, this is the one of the cylinder. Yes, on this one, one of the cone is mounted like this. Yes, like your rocket. How to find the surface area of the rocket? Okay, solve that by using this surface area and volume. Next, one more type. In your cylinder, like you have seen the capsule. What tablets capsules you have seen? So how it was? Like this, both this side it is round, means 2 hemispheres are mounted here. Then how to find the surface area of these type of shapes? How we have to find? First we have one of the cylinder here, including this cylinder, 2 hemispheres are there. Then if you find the surface area of the cylinder and 2 hemispheres area, you will get the total surface area of these type of shapes. So here totally there are 4 types of problem. One, it is combination of 2 or more same solid shapes. Next one, combination of cube and a hemisphere or cone is mounted on this cube. And next one, cylinder, and on this cylinder either your hemisphere is mounted or a cone is mounted, and finally both the side if your cone or hemisphere is mounted, how to solve the problems. Now we will take some examples based on these 4 types of questions. Yes. Okay, take your first question. Yes, take your first question. 3 cubes. It is the first type of problem. 3 cubes means same solid shapes. 3 same cubes. Each of side is 6 centimeter. Each of its side is 6 centimeter. Is joined end to end. Yes, it means there is a cube, and with this cube, same side, or it's 6 centimeter only. With this cube, one more cube is kept side by side. Yes, side by side. If you kept like this, yes, one more cube is kept here, end to end, joined to end. Find the surface area of the resulting solid shape. How many cubes we have to join here? 3 cubes. Yes, one more we have to take here. So first we have to find the surface area of this resulting cube, resulting solid shape. This resulting solid shape, it becomes here also 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and its height is 6 centimeter. Then this is we will consider as a breadth. So totally we will get which shape here? Cuboid shape. Yes, the resulting solid shape in which shape it is? Cuboid shape. You know how to find the surface area of the cuboid. Yes. So what is the formula to find the surface area of cuboid? 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. Okay. Here what is the length? Length is 6 plus 6, 18 centimeter. Then breadth is 6 centimeter. Then height is also 6 centimeter. Then you can find the area. Yes, what is the surface area here? 2 types of L is 18. B 6 plus 6 into 6 plus one more HL. HL means 6 into 18. Okay. 48. 6 1 is 6 plus 4 10. 108. 6 6 are 36. 108. Okay. 2 into 108 108 216. 216 plus 6 222 plus 30 252. The 2 are 4, 2 5 are 10, 2 are 4 1 504 centimeters square is the surface area of this resulting cuboid shape. Yes, this resulting cuboid shape. Yes, pause this video and take it. Next we will take one more question here. Yes, take here one more second question. Here this is one of the decorative block with 2 solid shapes. One it is a cuboid and one more it is a hemisphere. A cuboid is the base of the decorative block and hemisphere is mounted on that cuboid. With that he has given the side of the cuboid is 6 centimeter, means the base of this block is 6 centimeter, and the diameter of this mounted hemisphere is he has given as a what? Diameter is 2.1 centimeter, and the side of the cuboid is what? 6 centimeter. So what we told to find the surface area of the this decorative block. Means for painting this decorative block, what is the surface area? How much area we have to paint here? Yes. How to find this one? You know how to find the total surface area of the cuboid. Surface area of the cuboid, you know how to find. Yes. If it is a 6 centimeter, so sorry, it is not a cuboid, it is a cube. Yes, on a cube there is a hemisphere here, means all its sides are equal, means the side of this cube is 6 centimeter and diameter is 2.1 centimeter. If you find the surface area of the cube and the surface area of the hemisphere, you will get the total area for painting this decorative block. Okay, first I will find surface area of the cube is what? 6a square. Yes, what is the area side of the cube is 6. 6 into 6 square is 36. 36 6 are 6 3s are 18 plus 3 21. 216 centimeter square. Yes, this is the surface area of the what? Cube. Next, we have to find the surface area of the hemisphere. What is the total surface area of the hemisphere? Curved surface area 2 pi r square. Total 3 pi r square. Total surface area sphere. The surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. We are taking here total surface area of the hemisphere is what? 3 pi r square. Yes, what is the radius here? If your diameter is 2.1, then what is the radius? 2.1 divided by 2. Yes, 2 1 jump, then 0.1.05. If you put this radius, you will get the total surface area of the sphere. 3 into 5 into r square, 1.05 square. Yes. Now, if you need the total surface area of this block, this area we are not painting here. This circular area we are not painting. Yes. So in this total surface area of cube and hemisphere, we have to remove the area of this circle. What is the area of this circle? 5 r square. So the required surface area of this block is the surface area of resultant block is what? Third surface area of the cube and total surface area of the hemisphere, surface area of cube plus TSA of hemisphere minus what we have to do? Surface area of the circle. Why? Because this circle we are not painting here. Okay. Surface area of the cube is what? 216 plus TSA 322 by 7 into 1.05 whole square minus 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square is 1.05 square. So pi r square is the area of the circle. Okay. Now if you simplify this one, you will get the surface area of this block is what? The resultant surface area of this block is 183.45 centimeters square. If you simplify this one, you will get the resultant surface area. Okay, take this one. Yes, next we will take one more question here. Third type of question. Okay, take here next problem. What is that? Solid shape is composed of a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. A cylinder with two hemispherical ends. If whole length of the solid is 104 centimeter square. Just we have to draw one rough diagram. This is a cylinder. Yes, this is a cylinder. This cylinder is blocked with two spherical shape of ends both the side. Yes, it is. And the total length of this shape is what? 104 centimeter. Yes, total length is 104 centimeter from here to here. And the radius of each hemispherical end is what? 7 centimeter. Yes, radius is what here? How much here? Radius 7 centimeter for both the hemispherical shape. Okay. Then find the cost of polishing. Cost of polishing its area at the rate of 200 rupees per centimeter square. Means this total surface area he is painting centimeter square area, how much he will take? Then if you get the total area, you can find the total cost of painting here. Yes, for that purpose, what we have to do? The surface area of this shape, if you find, first you have to find the curved surface area of the cylinder, and same way curved surface area of the hemisphere and this hemisphere. Here both the hemisphere are same shape, same size. Yes, because both the hemisphere radius is same. So surface area of this shape is how we have to find. Curved surface area of the cylinder, CSA of cylinder plus CSA of both the hemisphere. CSA of both hemisphere. Okay, what is the curved surface area of the cylinder formula? CSA of cylinder 25RH. Here, what is the radius? Radius of this hemisphere as well as radius of this what? Cylinder is same. Radius is for cylinder. Radius is for this cylinder. What is the radius? 7 centimeter. Then, what is the length here? Length. This is up to here. This is the radius of the hemisphere, means how much it is? 7 centimeter. And here also 7 centimeter. If you remove, what is the length of this cylinder? 7 plus 7, 14 centimeter. If you remove from the 104, you will get 90 centimeter is the length of this cylinder. Okay, length of the cylinder is how much? 90 centimeter. And in hemisphere, what is the curved surface area of the hemisphere? 2 pi r square. You know the radius, you can find very easily. So take here surface area of that figure, CSA 2 pi RH plus curved surface area of the both the hemisphere, means two hemispheres are there. 2 times of one hemisphere, area is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi is 22 by 7, r is 7, h is height of the cylinder. How much? H is nothing but here length 90 centimeter plus 2 times of 2 into 22 by 7 r square. 7 into 7. 7 get cancelled. 7 get cancelled. 22 2s are 44 into 90 plus 44 into 7. Okay, simplify this one. 36. 36 plus 3, 39 plus 88 into 7 here. 3960 plus 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56 plus 5, 61. So add these two. 6, 7, 50, 4576 centimeter square is the area. This is the surface area. But what we need? The total cost. For centimeter square, how much we are paying? 200 rupees. Then for this much of area, how much we have to find? Yes. Total cost is equal to 4576 into 200 rupees for each centimeter square. So this answer is 2 6 are 18, 2 7 are 14 plus 1, 15, 10 plus 1, 11, 8 plus 1, 9. How much? 9,15,800 rupees is the cost of this painting this total area. Okay, just pause it and take this answer. Next, take one more question here from your exercise. Yes, take here the question which comes in your exercise. First exercise, 2 cubes with each of value is 64 centimeter cube. Yes, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting solid. Yes, before we have solved one of the question, but there he has given the side of the cube, but here he has given the volume of the cube. With the help of volume of the cube, we will find the side of the cube, then we can find the surface area of the resulting solid shape. Yes, just take here This is the one of the cube. And what is the volume of this cube? 64 centimeter cube. Then one more cube is joined with this one. End to end they are joined. Okay. Now you know the volume of the cube. What is the formula to find the volume of the cube? A cube means side cube. Yes, side cube. Yes, volume is how much? 64. Then it is A cube. So what is the side of this cube here? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 60 cube. 64. So side of the cube is how much? 4 centimeter you got. Then you know the side of the cube, it is how much? 4 centimeter, and this is also 4 centimeter. Then height of the cube is also 4 centimeter and its breadth also 4 centimeter. Means you will get one of the cuboid set here. The resultant solid is in which set? Cuboid set. You know how to find the surface area of the cuboid. Yes, 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. L is how much? Length of the cuboid is 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter, and breadth is 4 centimeter, and also height is 4 centimeter. Then find it surface area of the resulting solid shape. What is the resulting solid shape here? Cuboid. Yes, surface area of this cuboid is 2 into L is 8, B is 4 plus BH. Then HL. Okay. 2 into 8 4s are 32 plus 16 plus 32. 32, 32, 64. 64 plus 16, 80. 2 into 80, how much? 160 centimeter square. Yes, square centimeter. This is the area of this resulting cuboid. Yes. Okay, pause this video and take it. Next we will take the second question of your exercise. Let's take here the next question. What is this? A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. Yes, one vessel adinada hollow means here open. It is mounted by a hemisphere is mounted by a hollow cylinder. Means already here there is a hemisphere. This is a hemisphere. It is mounted by a hollow cylinder. Yes, this is mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. This is your hemisphere. Its diameter is how much? 14 centimeter. The total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Total height of the vessel is means including the hemisphere and hollow cylinder. Its height is how much? 13 centimeter. There. What is your question? What's your question? Find the inner surface area of the vessel. The inner surface area of this total vessel we need to find. So, ignore E diameter and cylinder diameter at the same level. Yes. So, what is the diameter of this cylinder? 14 centimeter. And if you know from this point to up to here, it is a radius of the hemisphere. Yes, if you know the diameter, you can find the radius. How much it is? 7 centimeter. Yes, radius of the hemisphere is 7 centimeter. Up to here, your hemisphere. From here to here, your cylinder. Then, can you find the height of the cylinder? Yes, this is from here to here. This is the height of the cylinder. How much? In 13 centimeter, if you remove its radius, you will get this is the height of the what? Cylinder. Yes, in 13 if you remove 7 centimeter, how much you will get? 6 centimeter is the height of the cylinder and 7 centimeter is the radius of the hemisphere. If you want the surface area of the vessel, what we have to add? The surface area of this cylinder and the surface area of this hemisphere. So for that purpose, we have to add surface area of cylinder, that is a curved surface area of the cylinder, and curved surface area of the hemisphere. CSA of cylinder, and we will add the formula to find the chord surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH plus hemisphere chord surface area 2 pi r square. Yes, 2 pi common, take here. Then RH plus r square, otherwise r also common. R you have to take here. H plus r you can take. Yes, both this side radius is same, otherwise you can calculate separately, no problem. For a cylinder, what is the radius for cylinder? Take here separately. For cylinder, what is the radius? Same, diameter is same means radius is also same. And height of the cylinder is how we have to find? In total height. If you remove the radius of the hemisphere, you will get the height of the cylinder. Then same way for hemisphere, what is the radius? Hemisphere radius is what here? He has given the diameter. Radius equal to half of the diameter means 14 by 2 is how much? 7 centimeter. Yes, take these values. R is how much? 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is 7 centimeter. Height is 6 centimeter plus 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is 7. 7 into 7. Okay, 7 7 get cancelled. 7 7 get cancelled. Remaining 22 twos are 44 into 6 plus 22 twos are 44 into 7. 24. 24 plus 2 26. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 30. Okay, add these two. 4 8 12. 7 3. 572 square centimeter is the surface area of that vessel. Yes. Innodri em kottara question na one hemisphere ಐತಿ, ಓಪನ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಐತಿ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ and surface area of the cylinder, if you add, you will get the total inner surface area of this vessel. Yes, I hope all of you got it. Yes, again some more questions based on this means how to find the surface area of the two solid shapes, means combination of two solid shapes. We can solve some more examples in the next session. After that,